Hello all and welcome to this demo on Amazon Bedrock Model Catalog. Model Catalog is one of the new features that has recently been added to Bedrock. So let's get started. Let me quickly go to my console. So I'm right here in console in Amazon AWS Management Console. You can see there's Bedrock, and what we have on the right hand side is Bedrock's overview. If you go to foundation models, right below foundation models is model catalog, and you can see that it has a tag besides it that shows new. So if you click on new, you will see that a small pop-up comes up, and the pop-up basically tells you that explore the catalog of 150 plus serverless and marketplace models from industry leading providers and emerging leaders. So let me go to model catalog. So click on model catalog, and then this page comes up. So we have a total of 169 models available over here. Now, right below model catalog, it basically states that what model catalog does. It tells us that you can discover Bedrock serverless and marketplace models that best fit your use case. To get started using a serverless model, you need to request access. And for marketplace models, you need to subscribe and deploy. On the left, we have filters, and I'm highlighting it. For some reason, it's in white. I think they need to fix it. And on the right, we have Spotlight. Under filters, what we have is a model collection. So we have 47 serverless models, and we have 122 Bedrock marketplace models. And besides the marketplace models, you will see there's a little icon that shows information. So if you click on the information icon, you will basically get this pop-up saying that Bedrock Marketplace includes models that you can use by first subscribing and then deploying to an endpoint. Along with model collection, we also have the different providers. So you can see the different provider names. If I click on show 10 more will come, and then another 10 more and another 10 more show up. There are possibly almost 30 plus different providers. Along with that, we also have model modality right here. So you have audio embeddings, text, image, text vision, video, different kind of modalities. And below that, right at the bottom, we have marketplace deployments. So right now it is 0 of 122. That is because I do not have any Bedrock marketplace models deployed. On the right, we have Spotlight, and Spotlight basically shows us a filtered list of models depending on the filter criteria that we select from the left. You can view your output in two forms. First is either as a grid, or second is as a list. So let us go back to model collection. And first, let us check out serverless models. Remember, we have 47 serverless models. So let me click on serverless. Now you see that we have a filtered list coming over here. You can see some of the popular models like Cloud Haiku 3.5, Sonnet 3.5. You have Amazon Noah models. You have Amazon Titan models. You have Meta Llama. What else do you have? You have AI 21 lab models. You have Mistral models. There are a whole different bunch of models that are available. Now let's say I want access to Mistral Small. So I'm going to click on Mistral Small 24.02, this particular model. So now it is going to that particular page. Okay, and you can see over here, it basically says available to request. So if I click on available to request, again, another pop-up comes up. Okay, and there's a link over here at the bottom that tells us request model access. On this particular page is an overview of this particular model and the usage criteria. So there's an API request. There is also an end user license agreement. You can take a look at it. But most importantly, if you need access, you need to click on request model access, and then it will take you to model access. So essentially what happened over here, that although we were under foundation models, model catalog, now the uh, the focus has basically gone to Bedrock configurations model access. And you can see model access right there. You can go over here. You can choose whichever model you want. Let's say if I want Nova Light, okay, click on request to available to request model access. You can see it's highlighted. Okay, scroll down, click on next. And there you have the model, request access, click on submit. Please be patient. It takes a while for the access to be granted. Once you have the access, right, you can start working with this particular serverless model. So this is how you in general work with serverless models from model catalog. Let me go back to Amazon Bedrock. Okay, and model catalog. Oh, sorry, I think I clicked on somewhere else by mistake. Hopefully the right page loads. Okay, there it is. Okay, I'm going to try and close this window. Okay, there you go. Okay, so we looked at serverless models. We have to the 47 models. And just like how we navigated to model access, with it was Nova Pro, I believe, you can do that with pretty much any model available over here. Now, along with serverless models, we also have Bedrock marketplace models, and we have 122 of them. So let me select Bedrock Marketplace. Now again, you see a filtered list on the right under Spotlight, and you can, scroll down, you can navigate using this pagination. Let's say I go to Cam AI. Okay, and there's one model available, Mars 6. I go to Mars 6. And you can see that it is subscribed for me. If I want, I can unsubscribe it, or I can deploy it. What you should take a look whenever you are looking at or exploring a marketplace model is basically the overview of the model, and most importantly, the pricing of this model. So the pricing of this model is running on any instance, and the software cost is 0.0001 per request. There are some inputs, outputs right there. There is some sample input data, right? Some input data description, additional resources like a sample notebook, a Git repo, going to Camp AI website and support, right? So you can either subscribe it or unsubscribe it. In my case, I've already subscribed to this model. Hence, you are seeing subscribed and an option to unsubscribe. Or if you want to go ahead and deploy, you can certainly deploy this. If you click on deploy, then this model will be deployed and it will show up under marketplace deployments. Now I'll create a separate video on marketplace deployments. I'm not going to cover it right now, but that's typically how you go about going. Let me go back to model catalog and again go to Bedrock Marketplace, and let us look at maybe Liquid AI. Okay, so these are the three Liquid AI models. Let me pick any one. And as you can see, I have not subscribed to this particular model, and hence it is giving me an option to view subscription, different type of subscriptions options. Okay, so if I click on this view subscription options, it is going to tell me that the offer that is available is usage-based pricing. This is the instance type that this model will be deployed on, and the cost is 21.9 cents per hour. So $21.09 per hour. You can download the legal agreement and click on subscribe. Now, why am I showing this to you? Be very careful before you subscribe and you deploy, okay? Because once you start using the model, then you will basically receive its billing. So be careful if you don't need to subscribe and deploy, then do not do the deployment at all. But what you should do essentially is take a look at the model, right? Go and look at the overview, look at the pricing, right? Look at the usage, inputs, outputs, sample input data, okay, sample output data, some additional resources, again, a sample notebook, Git repo, models description, and some support. So all of this information is available. Okay, so that's how about you go about looking at different models available to you from Amazon Bedrock. So if I go back to model catalog, and let's say you don't want to go by the model type, but you are looking for all the Amazon models, then you can filter it using the different providers. Or let's say you are looking for different image models. So there are only four of them, as you can see. So Nova Canvas, Titan image generator. There's image generator G1 over here. So, okay, I think these are two different versions. It probably looks like that. Okay, because they have the same name. I might have to go inside and take a look at its version. And finally, we have SDXL, which is a legacy model. So if you want to kind of filter it by modality, that is possible as well. And finally, if you want to look at marketplace deployments, none of them have been done right now. But if you want to go ahead and perform a deployment of a marketplace model, for example, right now I can click on Solar Pro. So it's coming up. So again, it is not subscribed. You can take a look at the overview, take a look at the pricing. This is $6.40 per hour. You can take a look at the usage, input, output, sample data, right? And finally, look at the support along with the additional resources. So since I have not subscribed to this, I can click on view subscription options. You have usage-based pricing. This is the cost. You can download the legal agreement and click on subscribe. So that's how you go about exploring different models using model catalog. This is a very powerful feature. It is one of those features that I would definitely recommend all of you to go and explore, look at the different models, what each of these models do, right? As I said, do not do any kind of deployment, subscription, just stay on the safe side, right? But there is no harm in exploring them, seeing what these models do. So that way you learn which are the different models that are available. In case a use case comes your way, and if you have the required knowledge, that's when you can propose to your boss, to your architect, to your team members, to your leader, that hey, there's a possibility of using this particular model that is available under Amazon Bedrock. So I hope that this particular demo was helpful. As I said, I will create a separate video on marketplace deployments. So till then, take care. Bye bye.